Hello and welcome to Panda News. Apple working on smart doorbell to rival Ring camera. Matador and La Rosa officially announces Bitcoin investment. And more news to discover in today's video. Let's get started. Apple is developing a smart doorbell system with Face ID to unlock doors, aiming to compete with Ring and Google Nest. Expected by late 2025, the device will integrate with Apple's AI-powered smart home hub and Proxima wireless chip. It may support third-party locks via HomeKit. Apple plans to leverage its privacy reputation to attract users and boost iCloud subscriptions. Crypto.com has launched a U.S. trust company after securing a trust company charter, enabling it to offer custody services to institutions and high-net-worth clients in the U.S. and Canada. Announced on December 23, the move highlights Crypto.com's growth ambitions in North America. CEO Chris Marsalek emphasized plans to expand with innovative services and products in the region. Matador Technologies is investing $4.5 million in Bitcoin, citing concerns over the Canadian dollar's stability. The Toronto-based firm plans to future-proof its treasury by diversifying into Bitcoin and U.S. dollars. Additionally, Matador is creating a digital gold platform backed by the Royal Canadian Mint, leveraging Bitcoin's trust and stability for innovative financial solutions, according to CEO Devin Soni. Quantum computing, though decades away, could enhance Bitcoin's security, says Adam Back, Blockstream CEO and cryptography expert. Despite fears that quantum advancements might break cryptographic algorithms, Back argues they could fortify Bitcoin's network. Bitcoin signatures, crucial for preventing transaction tampering, remain robust as the cryptocurrency garners attention after surpassing $100,000 for the first time on December 6. Tether, the largest stablecoin issuer, is set to launch an AI platform by Q1 2025, as teased by CEO Paulo Arduino. The company's new AI division, Tether Data, is developing privacy-focused open AI models. Recent initiatives include the Hadron platform for asset tokenization and a €575 million investment in Northern Data Group to integrate AI solutions with crypto products. See you tomorrow.